Hi, I'm Jim Odo with the Sealed Air Shrink Packaging Company, and we'd like to thank the TIA Group for accommodating us here this year. We are a company that specializes in a lot of food packaging, but we have yet to be involved in this particular segment of the industry, so this is one of our first attempts to try and serve the tortilla industry. The machine we are offering is really targeted at the institutional market. It should give them some advantages relative to the material cost, automation, and also sustainability, which is becoming more and more important for many of our customers. So we hope, to have big success with this show. We think it has been very beneficial to us. We've made many contacts that we have not had before, and we plan to be back next year. So again, thank you to the tortilla industry for accommodating us this year.